Welcome. This screencast is for the machine learning with Azure Nano degree, the final project, the Capstone project. During this project, we had to use data that was external to Udacity. So I used a recommended data set, which I found kind of interesting, was the heart failure data set, where it contains 12 features. And can be used to kind of predict mortality by heart failure, heart disease. I'm using my own account here, so I'm kind of doing this in sort of real time. I did a little final run to be able to show it here. I'm going to quickly go through my notebook, and then I'm going to talk about the requirements for the screencast, showing a working model, a demo of the deployed model, a demo of a sample request, and a demo of any additional features. So this is my Jupyter notebook here. I did one for the hyperdrive run, but that one, the result of that, the accuracy is not as high as the AutoML run. So I'm going to show the notebook for the AutoML run here. Go through here, setting up the workspace, clusters, getting my data. I got the data and I got it in my GitHub repository, and then I get it from there. Here I upload it to the data store. Here I do the AutoML configuration. And here is submitting the experiment. And similar to, I think, the second project, the Vodi Ensemble model is the highest accuracy here, as you can see. Here's my run details widget. I took some screenshots to put in my README file. Then we get the best model. And here after I convert it to the ONXX format there and save it. As you can see here on the left, I created a separate directory here and here for the capstone, and here's where I put my outputs. Here I get some properties. I register and save the best model. And here is the deployment. Here's where, of course, a lot of time was spent understanding what's going on in terms of getting the Conda environment data, and understanding this entry script, the score.py, which I have here, knowing kind of what's going on. I get it now. Go back here. And then finally, when I finally got this to work after many tries, you can see here, I finally got the containerized instance to finish successfully, succeeded. Then I printed the state showing healthy and printed some logs, the URI. And here is where you test the endpoint. So I submitted 2 data runs here, and I got a 1 and a 1. And I think we should be able to kind of make some changes here. Let's change that to 25. Let's change this to 100. Let's submit it again. Here, I'm doing this in real time here. And here I got 1 and a 0. So the endpoint is receiving the request and via the score.py file, then providing a prediction. Here I get some logs, and here would be the service delete, which I'm not going to do now because then delete my endpoint. I know I'm a little bit over time, but let me show you the model here. So here is the best model here with its run ID. Right? Here is the endpoint. I'm going to click on it here. As you can see here, it's healthy and with operation 6 succeeded. And here's the URI of the Swagger and of the endpoint. And as far as additional features, as I explained, I did the saved it as a ONXX format there. So I enjoyed the project very much, and I enjoyed the class, and I anticipate to continue taking more machine learning classes. Okay, thank you.